Tuesday, May 12th. Anthropic ships a tool to read Claude's thoughts. Natural Language Autoencoders. Google launches an AI health coach. GitHub trending. OpenClaw hits 210,000 stars. Chinese open-weight labs keep moving. Let's begin. Anthropic shipped a tool that converts Claude's internal activations directly into human-readable text. Natural Language Autoencoders. Published last Thursday on transformer-circuits.pub. Builds on scaling monosemanticity from 2024, the Claude 3 Sonnet feature extraction paper. How they work. 2 pieces. An activation verbalizer translates a target activation into a text description. An activation reconstructor recovers the original activation from that text alone. Net. An activation goes in, a human-readable sentence comes out. And that sentence is faithful enough to reconstruct the activation. The headline finding. Researchers set up a constructed scenario designed to manipulate Claude. Claude recognized it. The NLAs surfaced the recognition. The model never said a word about being tested out loud, but its internal activations did. The number. Auditor equipped with NLAs uncovered the target model's hidden motivation 12 to 15% of the time. Auditor without NLAs, with other interpretability tools, less than 3%. 4 to 5 times improvement on the toughest interpretability problem. Anthropic's honest limitation. They explicitly call this early-stage research, not a finished interpretability solution. NLA explanations are prone to factual hallucinations. The model writing the label can invent details. Use as hypothesis generator, not ground truth. Why it matters. Until NLAs, sparse autoencoder features had to be manually labeled by humans staring at activation patterns. NLAs automate that. Scalable interpretability. Direct line to the CAISI adversarial assessment regime we covered Friday. That's the research side. On the consumer side, Google rebranded Fitbit. Consumer side, Google rebrands Fitbit. The Fitbit app becomes Google Health on May 19th. Reaches 100% rollout by May 26th. New Gemini-powered AI health coach inside. What it does, fitness coach, sleep expert, nutrition advisor, medical records insight, all combined. Pulls from workouts, sleep, environment, nutrition logs, cycle tracking, U.S. medical records if access granted. Pricing, $9.99 a month or $99 a year. Google Health Premium subscription replaces Fitbit Premium. New hardware launches alongside. Fitbit Air, no screen, pure sensor band. Plus a Nature paper from Google on predicting insulin resistance from wearable data. Real medical research feeding the consumer features. Developer side, GitHub trending. OpenClaw, local personal AI assistant connecting to 50+ integrations from WhatsApp to iMessage, just hit 210,000 stars. Fastest growing AI project in GitHub history. 5 breakouts this week. Claude-context, semantic codebase search, MCP server, direct Anthropic ecosystem. Pi-Mono, agent toolkit, trading agents, multi-agent trading. ML intern, autonomous ML engineer. Pixel video, video generation pipeline. The pattern, 5 out of 5 breakouts are AI-adjacent developer tooling, not new models. Tooling around models, where the real shipping is happening right now. Chinese labs check. DeepSeek V4 Pro just climbed to Tier A on the consolidated leaderboard, 89 out of 100. GLM-5.1 still leads open-weight SWE Bench Pro at 58.4%. Kimi K2.6 was the first open-weight model to beat GPT 5.4x high on SWE Bench Pro back in April. And the macro story, Western versus Chinese flagship at equivalent benchmark performance, 5 to 25 times pricing gap. Nobody on the Western side is talking about it. Trial wrap. Short. Altman and Sutskever both testified today. 3 lines. Altman's quote, Musk said majority control of OpenAI would, quote, pass to my children, end quote. Sutskever spent a year compiling a 52-page document of Altman's, quote, pattern of lying, end quote, at the board's request. And the disclosure nobody saw coming. After the 2023 firing, OpenAI's board explored merging with Anthropic. Sutskever was not enthusiastic. Moving on. 2 short callbacks. Executive Order Watch, Day 7 of Hassett's 2-week window. Not signed today. Light touch faction versus aggressive vetting, still arguing. Calendar pin, 8 days to May 20th. NVIDIA earnings, Google I/O Day 2, Meta layoffs all stack same Tuesday. And the executive order window closes the same week. Tuesday, May 12th. Anthropic shipped natural language autoencoders. Claude knew it was being tested without saying so. 12 to 15% versus less than 3%. Google Health Coach launches May 19th at $9.99. OpenClaw hit 210,000 stars. DeepSeek V4 Pro hits Tier A. Trial. Altman and Sutskever, 52-page document. Anthropic merger explored. Executive Order Day 7. See you tomorrow.